Welcome back. There's a lot of noise in the tech world right now about artificial intelligence replacing software engineers. You see headlines every day claiming that coding is dead. But today, we are going to look past the hype. We will explore exactly why AI cannot replace human programmers yet, focusing specifically on creative problem solving and the challenge of ambiguity. First, we need to address a common misconception. Many people think programming is just typing code into a computer. If that were true, AI would already have replaced us. But typing syntax is just the tip of the iceberg, representing maybe 10% of the job. The other 90% lying beneath the surface involves planning, gathering requirements, debugging complex logic, and designing architecture. AI is great at the top part, but it struggles with the deep work below the surface. One of the biggest hurdles for AI is ambiguity. Clients and stakeholders rarely know exactly what they want. They might say, "Make it feel modern," or "Fix the user flow." A human programmer asks clarifying questions to figure out what that means. An AI model, on the other hand, will often hallucinate or guess. Without explicit, step-by-step instructions, AI tends to fail or produce generic code that does not solve the actual business problem. Another major limitation is context. When you are working on a large software project, you are not just writing a function in isolation. You have to consider the legacy database from 5 years ago, the specific business logic unique to your company, and user constraints. AI typically sees only a small slice of the code at a time. It lacks the historical knowledge and the big picture view that a human developer builds up over months or years. It is also important to understand how these models work. They are essentially advanced pattern matchers. They predict the next word or line of code based on what they have seen before in their training data. This means they are great for repetitive tasks, but real engineering often requires true creativity, inventing a novel solution for a problem that has never existed before. AI mimics creativity, but it cannot truly innovate outside its training set. Because of these limitations, the concept of the human in the loop remains essential. Even if AI generates 90% of the code, a human must verify it for security vulnerabilities, ethical standards, and logical correctness. Trusting AI blindly can lead to catastrophic bugs or security leaks. The role of the programmer is shifting from writer to reviewer, but the human element is still the safety net. Debugging is another area where human intuition reigns supreme. AI can easily fix a syntax error or a missing semicolon. But what about a race condition that only happens when two specific systems interact under high load? These are the unknown unknowns. Solving them requires a detective's mindset and a deep understanding of system architecture that AI simply does not possess yet. We also cannot ignore soft skills. A huge part of being a senior engineer is communication, negotiation, and empathy. It is about telling a product manager that a feature is too risky, or mentoring a junior developer, or designing a user interface that feels intuitive. These require emotional intelligence and leadership, qualities that a language model cannot simulate. So, where are we heading? The future is not about AI replacing humans, but rather AI becoming the ultimate co-pilot. Imagine having a super-powered assistant that handles all the boring boilerplate code, leaving you free to focus on strategy, architecture, and complex problem-solving. The most successful developers will be those who learn to use these tools to multiply their productivity, not those who fear them. To wrap up, remember these key points. Coding is mostly thinking, not typing. AI struggles with the ambiguity of the real world, and traits like context awareness, creativity, and soft skills are uniquely human. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a replacement for an experienced engineer. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like and subscribe for more insights into the world of tech.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.